to illustrate, Michel Martelly, Jovenel Moïse, Ariel Henry are all the equivalents of Mobutu Sese Seko in the Congo. Okay, after the foreign troops killed Prime Minister, the legitimate Prime Minister of the Congo, and they put a puppet. I mean, it's something that has been recycled over and over in time. That sometimes people, because they're not familiar with what's happening in countries like Haiti or the Congo or Niger, they would conclude that, well, you know, we chose the wrong bad guy, but they're all bad guys anyways. Well, of course, this is a racist statement. It's also a lazy statement, because if you just do a little bit of research, you'll understand that this is not at all true. In the case of Haiti, one element to tell you what's happening in the country is in what direction Haitians are traveling. Okay, when President Aristide was elected, December 16, 1990, and I lived this personally because I had just finished my final year. I was in my final year of university in Waterloo at the time, and I can tell you, I returned to Haiti that year. Okay, and within the 7 months that President Aristide was in office, it was thousands upon thousands of Haitians returning to Haiti for the first time. So Haitians were traveling to Haiti. When the white supremacist forces conducted the coup and President Aristide was removed, Haitians were leaving Haiti on boats, whichever way we could, escape the inferno that was created. It's not that Haitians have not chosen good leadership. It's that every time we plant a seed, they kill it before it grows. Okay. And when I say they, I'm not talking about the bad Republicans, you know, the Donald Trump. No, 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 no. It doesn't matter whether in the White House it's a Republican, a Democrat, a black president, a white president. It doesn't matter. The policy of the United States towards Haiti has been constant. Likewise in Canada.